These kind peoples rescued paralyzed dogs and lovingly took care of them, giving them comfort, support, and a chance to live happily again.
Pretending day by day that someone somewhere will soon make a change. We all a part of God's great big family. And the truth, you know, love is all